Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I am going to tell you about some B1 level Goethe expression themes. B1 level Goethe speaking exams themes, what are the topics that you can prepare for the presentation part? Okay, this is Teil 2 and 3. So Teil 2 is presentation. This is individual task that you have to perform during the exam. So I'm going to tell you what are the topics, themes that you can prepare for your upcoming exams. If you are preparing for speaking skills, especially presentation for B1 level, so I have prepared some topics. I hope if you are able to prepare these topics, you will definitely pass very good marks B1 level exam. So let's start with the topics. In every slide, I have mentioned two topics, okay, two themes. So there are around 40 to 45 topics, okay, here. So these are more than sufficient. If you prepare these topics, that would be fantastic. So let's start with the topics. So Nummer 1. First is das Leben auf dem Land oder in der Stadt. That means the life in the countryside or in the city. So you have to give a presentation, you have to give your opinion and the situation in your hometown, Vorteil, Nachteil, advantages, disadvantages that you always do. This is the common thing for all the topics. So first thing is the life in the countryside or in the city. Okay, you have to choose any one and then give presentation. Similarly, second part is soll die Geschäfte 24/7 geöffnet werden? Should the shops open 24/7? क्या जो शॉप्स है वो 24/7 ओपन होनी चाहिए, पूरे दिन पूरी रात खुली रहनी चाहिए? So this is your topics. What's your opinion? What do you think? Is it correct to open the shops 24/7? What's your mind? How's the situation in your country? What are the advantages and disadvantages? Next topic. The role of on sport. The role of the sport. What do you think? The role of on sport. This is another topic that you can prepare very well. Next, Zolman in fitness studio game. What do you think? One should go in the fitness studio? One should go to the gym? Is there any benefit? Or is there any disadvantage of going to the gym? What is your opinion? What's your personal experience? Next topics. Finden singles im Internet ihr Glück. Do single people find their partner on internet? Glück means here, it means are they lucky enough to find their partner online, like matrimonial they are talking about? So do they find? If they find, what kind of partner is it? Do you believe in this thing? How's the situation in your country? Do people find online life partner? Is there any benefit or is there any harm? So you will explain all these things. All right, next point is, was Beetle Sportverein? What offers? Beetle means to offer. What offer sports club? Do you know sports club? You have to speak about that. Is there any culture in your country about the sports club? What do they offer? What kind of sports are there? Is there any benefit of joining these sports clubs? Do you think is there any benefit? Do you get something? And what are the advantages? And what are the disadvantages? Like they are very costly most of the time. You can write them. Okay. Next. Mit Karte bezahlen oder bar? To pay with card, maybe credit or debit card or cash. What do you prefer? What do you say about this thing? Next topic is wie viel Trinkgeld ist in Ordnung? How much Trinkgeld? That is tip. In the restaurant, it is a very common culture in Germany that will give some tip after eating in a restaurant or hotel to the waiter. They don't ask, but you have to give. It's a tradition, it's a common culture. So we feel Trinkgeld. How much Trinkgeld should be enough? Normally the culture is 10% of your total bill is being given as a tip. So what do you think? How much should it be? 10%, 5% or more than that? And is there culture in your hometown, in your Heimatland? Is it the same culture? Do people give tip in the restaurant? What is your experience? Have you ever given tip? So these kind of questions. Next slide. Was kann ich persönlich für die Umwelt tun? what can I do personally for the environment? There is global warming, the temperature is rising every year. So what can you do personally? And it's a global topic, so you have to think globally. And what is the situation in your country? What people do? What do you contribute for the environment personally? What's your take on this? And definitely there are so many benefits when we preserve our environment, when we protect our environment, our earth, our planet. It's very, very precious. Next topic: sind Hunde oder Katze beste Freunde der Menschen? Are cat and dogs are the best friend of people? Are they loyal? Are they faithful? Are they best friend? What do you think? Any opinion? Your any experience with dog or cat? Do you have any pet at home? You can write about here. House deer also. Like I have a house deer, that is a dog or a cat. And what is the culture in your hometown, in your homeland, in your country? Like if you are from India or maybe outside India, what's the culture in your country? And your personal experience. And Vorteil, Nachteil. Next topic is, was kann man seine Freizeit gut gestalten? Wie kann man, sorry, how one can schedule or manage his free time. Gestalten means to give shape, to manage, okay, to organize. So how one can organize his free time? This you can use. You can write about yourself. How do you organize? Is there any benefit of arranging your free time? Is there any benefit if you manage your free time, like you will do this during your free time? Or is there no benefit? Do people think, is it important in your hometown? Do people do that in your homeland? What is the situation? Next, welchen Einfluss hat ein Chef auf die Motivation der Mitarbeiter? A chef means boss in a company. What kind of influence has a boss about the motivation of the employee? It means in a company, the role of a boss. Can they inspire? Can they encourage the motivation level of the employee? What do you think? The role of the boss head in a company, is it important, prominent? Can they inspire? Can they increase the motivation level of the employee, Mitarbeiter, or decrease? What role do they play? Okay, and what are the benefits? Means the role of chef, boss. What are the benefits? What are the disadvantages? Suppose if a boss is very rude, very arrogant, not friendly. So there are so many disadvantages. If the boss is friendly, helpful, supportive, there are so many advantages. What is the situation in your homeland? You will talk about all these things. I'm just briefing you about so that you get an idea and you can write on your own. Ist Lernen mit einem Partner motivierender? Is learning with a partner motivating? Do you get motivation if you learn with a partner, or you don't get any motivation? Do you think, is it a positive side? Do you think, is there any benefit of learning with a partner, or do you think it's a wastage of time? Some people think, okay, I can learn alone best, not with a partner. What is your view? What do you think about this? Is there any benefit or any harm? You will explain all these things. Your presentation should not be more than 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so write to the point and very accurate. I've already made so many videos. You can watch in the playlist. B1 level expression type. So you will definitely find it informative and knowledgeable. Next is Alltag mit oder ohne Fernsehen. Your daily life, your day-to-day life with or without TV. Do you watch TV? Can you live without TV? Without watching TV? How is your day when you don't watch TV? Is there any personal experience? You can share your experience that during the holidays I don't watch, or last weekend I did not watch. I felt so good. Your personal experience. And what is the condition in your hometown? Do people watch television too much, or they engage themselves in outside activities in the free time? So you can connect with this. Okay, what is the role of television in our daily life? Benefit. Okay, disadvantages. Next point, Brauchenwehr Fitness Studio. I think we have spoken about this in the beginning. Do we need fitness studio? Do we need gym? Is there any benefit? And the next is Brauchen Kinder Kochunterricht. Do children need cooking classes in the school? This topic is especially about the school children. So do children need cooking class? Do you think is it important nowadays that children should learn cooking in the school? What are the benefits? What is your personal experience? Have you ever attended cooking class in the school? What do you think now? Is it important or unimportant? Benefit and disadvantages, all these things. Next slide. Sollen Jugendliche mit Freunden verreisen oder mit ihren Eltern? Should youngsters travel alone, means with friends, or with parents? Verreisen means long distance travel, means going on holiday, long trip. So should youngsters do this trip with parents or with friends? What do you think as a youngsters? Is it good, or you get more freedom when you go with the friends? You have more leisure activities, you have more freedom, no foundation, no restrictions. These are so many benefits. You can share your personal experience. Have you ever been to a long trip with your friends or your parents? What do you think personally? There are also some benefits when we go with the parents. Okay, they are responsible, they are more experienced, they know more than the friends. So you can write all these things. You can speak about both the sides little bit. Next is Urlaub am Meer oder in den Bergen. Holiday at sea or in the hill area, hill station. What do you prefer? What people prefer in your country? What are the benefits? Okay, all these things you can write. Haustier, ja oder nein? Do you prefer to have a pet haustier? Yes or no? If yes, why? If no, then why not? You will speak. You will justify your statement. Why don't you like haustier? What are the disadvantages? Then you will say. If you say yes, then what are the benefits of having a haustier? And which haustier you have? What is your personal opinion? All these things. Next, sind Ganztagsschule zu empfehlen? In Germany, there is a whole day schooling. Means school hours are from morning till 1:30 or 2 p.m. After that, they have a big lunch in the school, hostel, mensa, cafeteria, and then they again start studying, do their homework and some sports activities in the school itself, and then in the evening they come back to school. That means Ganztagsschule. So is it empfehlbar? Is it recommendable? Is it advisable that student should go in the Ganztagsschule, in the whole day school, or is there no benefit? You can speak against it, that students or children gets tired, they don't get time for their hobbies, they cannot spend much time with their parents, they will tired, next day they will feel bored or monotonous. Okay, so you can also speak in favor, like it is beneficial, they can complete their homework, they can discuss their problems with the teacher in the school. Okay, they can speak and they can play with their school friends. So you can speak in favor as well as against, both possible. Next, Einkaufen im Einkaufszentrum. Shopping in the shopping center, mall. What's your opinion? Is it good or bad situation in your country? Next, sollen Kinder selbst entscheiden, was sie mit ihrem Taschengeld machen? Should children decide themselves what do they do with their pocket money, Taschengeld? Or parents should decide? What do you think? Who can think or who can decide the best about the pocket money of the children? Parents or children themselves? Sollten 18-Jährige schon allein wohnen? Can 18 years old youngsters, youth live alone? What do you think? Can they live alone? Are they mature enough? that they can live alone and they can manage all the things in day-to-day life alone. And then next, sollen die Frauen und Männer sich die Arbeit im Haushalt teilen, share, to share the household work. Men and women should share the household work equally. What do you think? Is there any culture in your homeland, in your country? Do men and women share the household work together? Or if they, then what is the benefit? If they don't, then what are the disadvantages? So I'm just explaining the topic a little bit so that you can write more. Müssen Jugendliche mit der Mode gehen, sich cool zu sein? Do youth, youngsters follow the fashion in order to be cool? They want to feel cool. If they follow the fashion, trendy jeans, trendy t-shirts, caps, okay, trousers, shoes, colorful goggles, all these things. So do they have to follow the fashion? What do you think? Is it good for them or not good? Your personal opinion, your experience, and the situation in your hometown, plus advantages and disadvantages. I'm repeating the same point because this you will write for each and every topic. Next, Musikunterricht in meinem Land. You will speak about the music or music class in your country. Is there any music class in the school level or in the college? You can speak about your experience. Have you ever attended music class? What are the benefits? Is there any scope in future for the kids? And next point, lohnt es sich, eine fremde Sprache zu lernen? Lohnt es sich means, is it worth? Is it worth? Is it meaningful to learn a foreign language? Like we are learning German. Is there any worth? Is it beneficial? Of course, you can write so much things about this. Next point, müssen die Jugendlichen mit der Mode gehen? Same that we discussed previously. Should they go with the fashion? And next, again, repeat. Okay, this is the next new topic. Wie nützlich ist Schüleraustausch? How useful is school children Austausch exchange program? You know, in schools or college level also, there is an exchange program with some other country. Like Indian students go to Germany, German students come to India. They stay here with Indian families for 1 or 2 weeks. They see the lifestyle and the daily life of Indians, get to know the culture and the people, enjoy food and everything. Similarly, Indian students go to Germany and enjoy all these things. So is it useful? What do you think? Is there any benefit of doing all this exchange program or just wastage of money and time? You can think and write. And next is, brauchen wir Schönheitsideale? Do we need someone who can be our idol in terms of beautiful? Like Schönheit means beauty, like somebody is very beautiful, you admire him or her. Do we need someone so that we can also become so beautiful from inside or outside? This you have to decide. What are we talking about? Beauty from within or from outside? Outer beauty or inner beauty? So you can write in detail. Like for me, inner beauty is more important than outer beauty. Only appearance does not matter. How person's behavior, his nature, his qualities are more important. For me, that is the beauty. That is the Schönheit. And for all these things, we don't require any idol. Or you can say, yes, we require any idol. It's up to you. Next, gehören alte Leute ins Altersheim? Old people belong to the old age home. Altersheim, old age home. Do they belong to that place? Is old age home is the right place for the old people? What do you think? Is it okay? Appropriate? Is it good? Then why? Next, Museen, sorry, this is Museen means museums, plural of museum. Museen mit freiem Eintritt. There should be free entry in the museum, no ticket. If you want to go to the museum, you should not pay anything. What do you think? Is it okay if you go, if you have free entry in the museum? Is there any benefit or any loss? And next, sollte man seinen Protest zeigen? Should one show his protest? One should protest, demonstrate. Okay. Protest means if you want to achieve something, if you are demanding something from the government or from any person, maybe at your workplace or in the politics or country as a whole, so should we protest? If yes, then what kind of protest? Peaceful protest or non-peaceful? Is it good or bad? You will write. Next, wären einige autofreie Tage im Jahr sinnvoll? Is it good if we have auto-free days in a year? Few auto-free days. Is it logical, sinnful, meaningful? Does it make any sense if we don't drive car? Auto means car, a personal car, few days in a year. Is it good? This kind of concept can we apply? Any experience if you have? Is this format, is this structure, concept applicable in your country? Do you think, is there any benefit of doing so? What are the benefits? Next, Zoltan Schuler Jobben. Should school children do job? Is it good if they do job after schooling, of course, as a part-time job? Is there any benefit? What are these? Like they can get Taschengeld, pocket money. They can be independent. But there are also some laws, like they cannot concentrate on the studies. You can speak about this in favor or against. Next point is Studium oder Berufsausbildung. Studies or professional training. What is important for you? What do you think in current scenario? One should study, do higher studies, or one should do some professional training so that he can make a good career further in the future? Or studies are also good. You have to choose one and speak about. Next, plastic Geschirr, ja oder nein? Geschirr means plastic plates, plastic bowls instead of metal, or we use at home silver, metal, steel. So instead of that, should we use plastic at our home also? Like in some functions, festivals, we do use plastic Geschirr. Like, do you understand? Plastic plates, bowls for eating, and plastic glass also for drinking water and juice, etc. So is it fine? Means, is it good for the environment? Yes, you can say it's good for environment, but we should not throw away in the open. We should not throw in the open. We should not litter, otherwise it's harmful for the environment. We should use them, but we should throw properly. We should dispose of properly. Next, sollten 18-Jährige allein oder mit der Familie wohnen? Should 18 years old people live alone or with their family? Are they mature enough to live alone, or they must live with their family? Sport als Beruf. Can we make sport our profession? Many of you are aware, you have seen the people, those who are good at sports, in further life, in future, they make it as their profession. They work, like somebody is good at cricket, so later on he become a cricketer or become a cricket coach. So is it possible? Is it good? What do you think about this idea and the situation in your homeland? Do people prefer this? And next, sind die Noten wichtig in der Schule? Are the marks, Noten means marks, grade, are important in the school? What role play the marks in the school level? You can write. It's very interesting topic. Sollten die Geschäfte 24/7 öffnen? Should the shops open 24/7? Öffentliche Verkehrsmittel oder Privatauto? Öffentliche Verkehrsmittel, public transport or personal car? What do you prefer? We should use public transport more, or we should use our personal car more? Which is better? And then, sind Computerkenntnis wichtig? Is computer knowledge important? What do you think? Just think about the current scenario, 21st century. Is this important? Is it worth to have computer knowledge? So that's all in this video. I hope you find it informative and knowledgeable. So please hit the like and do subscribe the channel for such kind of interesting videos in future. And thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me, and keep watching German class. In case any doubt, any query, please write in the comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.